Do you want to know how you can log into your NCR Payroll account? If yes, then this video is specially for you. Hello and welcome to How to Login. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your NCR Payroll account. Go ahead and open any type of browser and go to the search bar to search for NCR Payroll Login. Click on the second link which appears on your screen and it will take you to the official login portal of NCR Payroll. After this page loads up, you can see the login interface. You can log into your NCR account using your email address or username. So go ahead and write down your username or email address in the first box, and after that go to the second box and write down your password. After you write down your password, make sure to check your password by clicking on this eye icon. Make sure that your username or email and password are associated with your NCR Payroll account. Once you have written your user credentials, go ahead and click Login. This way you can successfully log into your NCR Payroll account. If you have any kind of confusion about your password and have forgotten your password and want to reset it, click on this link, write down your email address over here and then click Request. A mail will be sent to you by NCR Payroll. Check out that reset link and then click on it and you can reset your account or your password once again and you can log into your account. So guys, this is how you log into your NCR Payroll account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.